Welcome to IndianShareTips.com, and at our website our aim is to provide you the information which can help you save lots of money during your trading career. We learn from our experience and we want to share this one mistake which generally occur and can lead to phenomenal losses as one undertakes wrong actions to cover one loss. So you are done for the day and going to close your trading app / trading platform on the desktop for the day, whether you are in profit or loss. Remember not to undertake the action of closing of the platform or app unless you have done this check, which is your last check. Generally, if you are in a loss, you will tend to avoid doing this action because you will be in a hurry to run away from the trading screen, as our human being is averse to losses. He does not want to see the loss. And if you are in profit, you can again commit this mistake because you will be in a euphoria. So when you are in euphoria, you tend to do more mistakes. So we are going to tell you this last check which you have to undertake. Generally what happens during the heat of the movement in the market, when we are putting the orders, we put number of orders below the prevalent price in the market because we feel that the price at which the trade is going on is on the higher side and it will come down. In such a scenario, we forget to check which all trades have been executed and which are still in the pending stage. So if you forget, sometimes if you want to buy at lower level, the trade may get executed, and if you have closed the trading screen without checking the order book / position, you are going to suffer. So the last action of the day of yours is to go to the order book of your trading screen / platform and check that whether all things are okay or not. So what you have to do is that you will go to your order book and check if you have any pending orders. If yes, then cancel those orders. Then you will go to trade book and see if all the orders are equally squared up. There should not be any order which is outstanding, or you should be aware that you have done this order from the carryover trade and it is okay. So once you are okay with the order book, all pending orders cancelled, trade book, all orders which are being shown are okay and you have seen those, then only undertake the action of the closing of your app. You must also see the traded quantity and remaining quantity. These actions make sure that you are aware what has happened in your trading account. Remember to cancel all pending orders. People generally forget and see pending orders being executed and cover in loss by end of the day, and you will be not even aware of the same. So we request all trading platforms to provide a single click button by which all pending orders are cancelled. One wonders why this button is not provided in all the trading platforms, as this is a mandatory requirement and will help in easing the life of a day trader. So a simple action can save you avoid losses. And do remember to check our website for best intraday stock tips, bank nifty option tip and commodity tips. Margins are being reduced substantially, and thus bank nifty option is one of the most potent weapon to make money, where you can make good profit every day with a small capital of 10,000 rupees. We will provide the links of these services in the description box. And lastly, if you like our video, please subscribe the channel, share with your friends and colleagues, as they say, sharing is caring. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up, as it will act as a morale boosting exercise for us and will help us to provide you more and better videos which can make you more profitable. Signing off from this video. Thank you.